Okay, so today's problem child is a 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 four-wheel drive, 5.7 Hemi, right blend door actuator stripped inside. You can hear the little gears clicking away. So we recovered the AC from the system with a recovery machine, and basically you have to strip the entire inside of the truck to get this out of here. Both seats have to come out, carpeting has to come off, entire dash has to come out, then the HVAC assembly can be removed from the firewall, and there's the pesky little bastard right there. Two little screws, but it's impossible to get at because it'll be up against the firewall. If you needed to change the other side, that one's easy because it's on the opposite side of the heater housing. So not a fun job. Lots of parts and pieces to take off and put back together again. There's all the trim. There's the entire dash. Driver's side seat. Steering column. Oh well, we'll put it back together.